All right, guys, the most critical 5 seconds of your door approach that will make or break every deal for you is this right here, your transition. Now, being able to transition smoothly and comfortably with complete composure is crucial because if there's even the slightest amount of hesitancy, they pick up on it and it's over. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a word for word script for each one of these different transitions here. And if you stick around till the end, the transition into the house, it's the most gangster transition I've ever seen or done myself on the doorstep. And I will tell you exactly how to do it. And this will get you more deals than anything right here, your transition into the house. So we get through our approach, problem, solution, we qualify them. It's starting to make sense. The conversation starting to stall out a little bit. We need to transition and push it forward to the next step. One that I've seen some people do is they say, "Yeah, I'm just going to leave you some information today, and then I'll circle back. I'll get you some more detailed information or report." And they ask them to go grab a piece of paper and a pen, and they say, "Yeah, just grab a paper and a pen real quick. I'm going to write down some notes, and then I got to run." So they go, they grab a paper and a pen, and now you're standing there on the doorstep, and you have an opportunity to pitch them with you can write some stuff out, and I'll do a video right here. I'll link one where what I say when I have them grab a paper and a pen. But it gives you an opportunity to build more pain, build more value in your solution, and then set a more sticky appointment. So there's one with the notes. The most common transition that I think I see most people doing on the doorstep is to grab the bill. Sometimes we'll pair that with going to check the meter because they feel a little more comfortable and you're like, "Look, you grab your bill, I will go check the meter and then I'll meet you right back here and I'll show you what I'm talking about." Now, the way that I'll start this transition after I'll right we need to pull it back first, neutral language. We pull it back. "Look, I'm not here to sign you up or anything. My job is just to see if you could even be eligible. And to do that, we need to check two things. One, we need to know how much power you use. We check on a power bill. And two, do you know what type of meter you have on the side?" Okay. So did you do your bills online or in the mail? Okay. And your meter is at this side of the house or that side? Okay. You grab the bill. I'll go check the meter and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll be right back here. And you walk away. You don't hesitate. You don't look at them for approval or permission. You just walk. And when you walk away, they will walk inside and they will go grab their bill. Now, sometimes you come back and they don't have it. And then you just have to loop back through the process, problem, solution, build more value, ask more questions. Or maybe they're not worth your time and you just got to dip out of there. Bill, meter, set the appointment. Transition to set the appointment. I'll usually, my question when I go to just schedule an appointment, I'll pull it back. I'll say, "Look, I don't have anything for you today. All I'm going to do, I'm going to circle back another time and I'll bring you some more information. So that way you have a better idea of what I'm talking about." And they'll be like, and especially if they're like, "Oh, I need to do my research." It's like, "Well, you don't even know what to research. So let me get you some more information, some more specific information for your home. And then that'll help you." And then my question is, what's your schedule usually like? Are you home in the afternoons or evenings better for you? Do you work? And I start talking about their schedule and what they do on a day-to-day basis so that I can propose an appointment time that is most likely to work. Now, if they're wishy-washy and they're dodging it, then yeah, we need to circle back, go build some more pain and value. Now, the transition into the house. This, I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. I didn't even know this was a thing until like a year ago. There's a guy, his name's Mike Brand. He's at Legacy Power in San Diego. You look him up on YouTube, you can find a training where he teaches this. It's freaking awesome. So towards the end, he'll pull back, puts his hands up. He says, "Look, my job's simple. All I'm going to do today is leave you some notes just inside on the corner of a table on the program details, the qualifications. And then on my way out, I'll let you know when I'm dropping off the reports for the neighbors. Shoes on or off." And he starts wiping his feet on the doormat and looks down and just straight walks right into the house. Just straight walks right in. And the thing is, it sounds like it might be like a little intimidating or maybe inappropriate to do that. But if you do that on every single home, it's just normal. When that's just your job and that's what you do, he does it like a million times a day. He does it all the time. And they feel that, they pick up on that. They're like, "Oh yeah, this is just how things how it works. And they just walk right in, sit at the table, and then you have a chance. Same thing with the notes, but now you're doing the notes on the table, and you get to build some serious pain and really get into their situation. You can have them get their bill, and you can. That's when you set an appointment that you know is going to stick. Now, what do you write on the notes? What do you write on the table? I'll do that in the next video. We'll see you in that one. Peace.